G'day, here's a parcel from OpalShop.com.au. The material's Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's got a mixture of pieces and from various fields. There's even a piece of chrysoprase mixed in. It's come from an old cutter. There's rubs and offcuts, some matrix type material, bits of choroid, bits from various other fields. Anyway, I'll zoom in so you can get a better look. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of little stones amongst it. Just move around so you can see. It's just been basically tipped straight out of the bag. There's a bit of chrysoprase. I dare say that'd be Australian. Bit of choroid there. Like I say, it's a bit of a mixture, roughs and rubs. Bits of choroid there, little stones. Some have been already cut and shaped. Not a fantastic piece, but still. Probably just be able to use it and sell it the way it is if you wanted to. When this material was being worked on, all this stuff would have been rejected. Now it's all reprocessed, people want it. It all has potential. But back 30 years ago, surprising what got thrown away. It's a nice piece. Anyway, hundreds of little stones for you to play with. There's another little stone. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.